Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the pollen levels tile. In the next window, you'll see a preview on the left where you can see changes to your feed. In the left corner of the preview, click to toggle between content views. Available content views are pollen forecast or pollen current. To the right of the preview, set a custom name for the feed. Then enter a location. Location is defined by postal code, city and state, city and country, or latitude and longitude. Click the Customize this feed button at the bottom to make further customizations. Select your theme. Available themes are Blue Hue or Clean and Clear. Set the duration. Default duration is 10 seconds. And set your delivery method: HTML, Media RSS, Direct URL, or JSON data. Click the Create Feed button to create your pollen level feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.